Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to merge two partitions in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, go to this PC, double click on this PC. In this PC, I have multiple drives. I want to merge E drive and F drive. E is my first partition and F is my second. In second partition or second drive, I have not any data. If you have any data, then make sure backup your data. Make sure copy this data to another drive or the another hard disk. Go to the back. In E drive, I have many files and these all files are 110% safe. There is no need of the copy and paste it to the another drive. Go to the back. Close it. Now go to the start. In start, there is two ways to go to the disk management. First is the type start, go to the start and type disk management and click on create and format hard disk partition, or right click on the start and directly go to the disk management. And here we find our disk management. Here we find our all hard disks. This is my first hard disk and this is my second hard disk. You can use any hard disk that you want. I want to merge this partition E and F. In F, I have not any data or any file. I want to delete it. Make sure there is no data in the F. Right click on it and click on the delete volume. Click on delete volume. It's asked yes or no. I click on the yes. And here we find unallocated space. Now we want to this unallocated space merge into this E drive. That is very easy. Right click on the E. Here we find extend volume. Extend volume. Click on extend volume. Here we find next. Here we find our disk and the free space. Here we find free space. I give the entire free space to this drive. Click on the next. Click on the finish. And here we find new volume E is the 600 and plus GB. Go to this PC. Double click on this PC. In this PC, we find volume E is the 600 and plus GB. Double click on it. And here we find our all files. Click on close. So guys, this is the simplest way to merge two partitions in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.